Alright guys, we're going to do our number pull here. Here's the big box, as you can see. We're going to use random.org. So here's our numbers for San Francisco. I'm just going to write these down in a side piece of paper, and then I'll go ahead and do it. We're going to randomize 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 3, 9, 2, 0, 6, 7, 4, 8, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We'll do the next one. Get back. Okay. Move back home. This randomizer. And then we're going to do the Chiefs. We're going to do the same thing 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 2, 9, 0, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay. So guys, I will get these plugged in, and I will send the video and the final board out to everybody. Thanks.